All right, so this is the progress so far. Still quite a mess, but the idea is I'm gonna be putting 2020 all over the place. I need to put this here. I'll eventually make doors. I'm in the process of drilling holes. That way I can attach it to the edge. Can you see them? So this is it so far. Hopefully by the end of the day I'll have all the aluminum put on. Still gotta frame this, and then this is not the actual top. It's in the shop. So anyway, see how it turns out. Oh yeah, I like how this is so far. I mean, gotta make better. Like I said, it's gonna be a different top, but gotta figure out buttons, e-stops, and all that good stuff. All right.